Hey you lovely readers, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Read with Mega. How you all guys doing? I hope you're reading a lot and enhancing your knowledge this weekend. So today in this video I'll be sharing my October TBRs, that is the book I am planning to read this month. So without wasting even a single minute, let me start showing the books I am thinking that I'll be able to complete this month. So don't forget to stay tuned till the end, as I am planning to show you everybody's favorite book or books in the end. And let's start with the first book, that is this 7 Days in Lynchburg Barn by Junaid Abu Baker. I have talked about this book in the previous video of mine, and this book talks about racism which is still prominent in these times. Forget about 1970s or 1980s. Even in 2021, a million of people suffer with racism or go through this thing every minute and every day. So I'll give this a quick read. It is a very short book of 70 pages. It will not take more than an hour to complete it. So the first thing today I'll be reading is this book. So the next read of this month will be probably this, The Ganesha's Temple by author Rohit Gaur. This is the first book in the Temple War series, which means at least 2 or 3 books will be coming more of the same genre, that is the mythological fiction. Well, this book precisely is based on Ganesh Chaturthi season and a family who is a really devotee of Lord Ganesha, and the story goes on with a mythological touch. I have already read 30 or 40 pages of this book in the previous month but was not able to complete it. So I'll be completing it in the next 3 or 4 days. It is not a really big task. It is just 180 pages book, so it will hardly take 2 days to complete, and I will tell you the whole review or whole summary of this book really soon. So let's dive into the next book now. So the next read which I'm going to talk about is not just a single book but the set of remaining 2 books from the trilogy Lies of Truth series by author Ashwin Raj. I have already read the first book, that's a character development book, and I am really much eager to see how the story unfolds through these 2 books. The second book is this, My Boyfriend's Confession, and the third book is this, My Dad's Funeral. These are also quite short reads, that is around 100 pages both. So these will also not take much time, around 1 or 2 days to complete the series. So till this part of the video, you must be thinking I am reading all the short reads this month, as I personally love reading short books or short stories which don't consume that much time of your life, and those are very quick to read and much knowledgeable as well. But the last part of this video is a really long read. It will take me around 2 weeks or week or 2 at least to complete the whole set, and that set is none other than this Harry Potter set. I have only read this first book completely, and now I'll be completing this whole set in this month. It's really heavy, and I'm targeting myself, I'm making a target for myself to complete this whole set in this month, and probably in 10 days or so I'll see if I'll be able to complete it in 7 to 10 days at least. And oh my god, it's very heavy. I'm going to put it down. So from this particular box set of Harry Potter, as you all know, I have only read the first book, that is the Philosopher's Stone. All the other 6 books are remaining and pending, which I'll surely complete it this month. And after completing the series, I will rewatch all the movies of Harry Potter and then compare which one was the better, watching the movie or reading the books. As like most of the other kids, I was also raised like watching the movies, Harry Potter movies, but now as I got the chance to read it, I'll not let myself lose this chance and go it in vain. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below which book you are also excited to read with me, And if you want to keep watching more videos like this, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram with the same username, that is Read with Megha. And I will take a leave. We'll meet you on the next weekend. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.